Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unfollow an artist on SoundCloud. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the SoundCloud app on your device. Now, go to the library section. After that, tap on the following button. Now, tap on the following button beside the artist you want to unfollow. And that's it. This is how you can unfollow an artist on SoundCloud. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.